Chinese tensions, Taiwan's military successfully stopped its fleet of 140 F-16 fighter jets. Taiwan's military has suspended its entire fleet of 140 US-made F-16 fighter jets. The decision was taken after one of the planes crashed during a training mission on Tuesday, the 19th of November 2020, yesterday. Taiwan's defense ministry said the single-seat F-16 disappeared from radar screens over the Pacific Ocean just 2 minutes after taking off from Hualien Air Base, on Taiwan's east coast at 6:05 p.m. local time. Until this news was released, the Taiwanese Navy was still conducting operations to find the pilot of the ill-fated fighter jet, Colonel Chang Cheng-chi. There has been no information regarding the initiation of investigations into the incident. CNN reported that Taiwan President Tsai Ing-wen said on Wednesday, November 18, 2020, morning that all the country's fleet of F-16 fighter jets would be barred from flying pending the results of the investigation. US-made F-16 fighters represent about half of Taiwan's combat fleet. In recent months, Taiwan's military has flown F-16s in operations to intercept Chinese People's Liberation Army (PLA) fighter jets that repeatedly enter the island nation's air defense identification zone. China claims full sovereignty over Taiwan, even though the two sides have been ruled separately since the end of the Civil War in 1949. Last month, Taiwan's defense minister said it had spent nearly $900 million this year on strengthening its fleet of fighter jets to counter Chinese attacks. Despite the ban on flying F-16 jets, Tsai said Taiwanese forces would remain ready to defend the island. The task of defense and combat readiness must not be relaxed at all to ensure national security, he said. Taipei wants to add newer models as well as upgrades to its air fleet. In August, it completed the purchase of 66 new F-16 fighter jets from Washington in the largest U.S. arms sales package to Taiwan in years.